Hello, welcome to World Business Report. I'm Jamie Robertson. Well, US job seekers and investors had some encouraging news this morning. The latest report on the labour market showed that 146,000 new jobs were created in November. That's almost double the number forecast by most economists. The jobless rate also edged lower to 7.7%. There was a theory that the giant storm that hit the northeastern USA last month would have resulted in weaker hiring, but there's been very little sign of that. Let's go to Ben Thompson, who's on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. I suppose the mystery of this, Ben, is that the storm didn't knock the jobs numbers. Any explanation?
Yeah, we talked a lot at the time about what Hurricane Sandy would do to the number and whether it would have an impact. So if you look down into these numbers, they say, yes, there was a temporary impact. Thousands of jobs, of course, were lost temporarily during that number. But if you look at the headline figure, things are starting to head in the right direction. As you say, the number of jobs created rising by 146,000. That bringing down the overall unemployment rate to 7.7%. That's down from 7.9%, and really suggesting, of course, that the economy is heading in the right direction. A lot of emphasis is put on this headline number, particularly below that 8% level. Of course, it also suggests, too, that consumer spending, which makes up such a big part of the economy here in the United States, will now continue to grow as more people get back to work. But the one issue in this number, of course, is that the number of people looking for work, and therefore the headline rate falling, is actually falling too. The number of people dropping out of the labour market altogether, once again falling.
OK, Ben, we'll leave it there. Thanks very much indeed. Ben Thompson there in New York at the Stock Exchange. Well.